Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to send email with attachments using SMTP in Laravel 11. Whether you are sending a report, an invoice, or any other document, attaching files to your emails can be incredibly useful. I will walk you through the entire process step by step, from configuring your SMTP setting to creating a mailable class and sending the email. So let's dive right in.
So first we start with the SMTP setup. So for doing SMTP setup, you have to just go to your Gmail account, click on manage your Google account, and wait for the open. And if you try to open directly, you can just write here app password. So you can see here the app password will be in the list. So just click on this and put your URL here, like the base URL. Basically I am putting mine here, create. So it will create giving you a password. So what you have to do, just copy this and going to go to your env file and for write your SMTP configuration here. So like I am using my SMTP Gmail, so I am going to write here SMTP gmail.com. okay, SMTP gmail.com. And other than that, we have to declare these fields also, like port, username, password. So I have copied that password, so I will paste first here and just write here your email, sagar.dev.work@gmail.com. okay, and write here the port 587. like I using that, so I am writing this 587, and encryption will be TLS. okay, so this is something that we have to declare in our env file, that both these fields are important. So you have to check this first, that you have done setup or not, because without this it is not feasible to send your email. okay, so this is something, and you can see here app name basically. So app name is nothing but the name of the app name that we have declared upper in the first row. okay, so this is something that we are going to show here. You can change here as well, so as per your requirement you can change the name. So this is something that you have to declare first inside the env. okay, so after env setup, you have to create a mailable class. So first, for creating mailable class, you have to go to your project path, like this learning app stdocs. My project is inside the stdocs and the project name is learning app. So I'm already in my path, and after this just you have to write php artisan make mail. Like you can put your mail name class here, like I am using attachment mail. okay, so just write the name and enter. So it will create a file attachment with the name of attachment mail.php, and it is inside the app mail folder. okay, so let's go to the folder first. So as you can see, there is app inside that app there is a folder mail, and inside mail there is a file attachment mail.php. okay, so this is something that create a file with that command, and it consists that different three methods: involve, content, and attachments. each method has a different role and work, you can say. So for involve basically this method defines the basic email attributes, okay, such as like subject and from address and like this, okay. I will show you how to write in this method, and after that there is a function method called name content. Content is something, this method defines the content of the email, okay, like such as the view template, okay, that you are using for the email body. I will show you that also. And after that the last one is attachment. So as we have to send the attachment, so it is something that we are going to use. This is basically defines any file that should be attached to the email. So I will also showing you by attaching email like the attachment file here, okay. So these are the three methods and the constructor here also this. So this is something that attachment mail consists, and as I have mentioned what the role of all these methods. So after this just we have to declare our variable name here like this, public $data, that we are these variables that we are going to use in upcoming part. Attachment spelling is wrong, attachment, okay. So this is something we have declared, and we are going to use inside this, like writing this. I'm writing this here, and after this just declare, you just have to receive here the value of that variable $this attachment, and you have just declared inside the attachment variable, okay. And after this just you have to involve that class, the object. So just we have to write here the subject, like I am using sending the mail attachment, so I will write mail with attachment, okay. You can write anything that you want here, and after this we have to, like as I mentioned that we declare from as well, from address, so we have to call in this way. So I am going to write here sagar.dev.work@gmail.com. I have done a mistake. gmail.com, okay. And also you can write here your name, Sagar Shamar, okay. And write here, it is giving some error, I have taken something, I guess. Expected type null, mailable found, app mail address. So basically, okay, so we have to call that mailable class. So I have used this illuminate mail, mailable and address. So you have to call this first, because it is something that I have to declare first, okay. So it is done, and after that I have to write the view name here. So I am going to create a folder called emails, and inside that I will create a file with name attachment. Okay, and also I have to write here with data that we are going to use $this data. Okay, that variable we already store here, so I'm going to use this here, and I will show you how all this working, don't worry. After that there is attachment method where we have to declare in like attachments, like there is, yes, so this to this one. Okay, so basically that you have to import first, and the above from path and $this attachment. Okay, and here you have to like define as, so here you have to you have to give the path basically, like if you have any already defined, you can say the like attachment, any kind of attachment, like you have any media file or something, so you can simply define here that path of your file, and you can call simply. Okay, so here you just have to write the name, like I am going to use attachment.pdf. okay, so and also you can like first you can give path of your public folder, like I am going to show you with putting the image. So here you have to declare the path of your attachment file. So right now I am creating a file name like attachment.pdf. okay, so and also you have to put with the same name a PDF file. So I'm going to demo follow. I'm downloading one sample PDF file here for the demo purpose. Download PDF. Okay, so it is my PDF file here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take this file and I will create a folder named demo, and inside this I will paste that file basically. Okay, so it is not showing me here. So what I can do is I will go to my project, inside the public demo I will paste it here. Okay, and rename it as attachment PDF. Okay, so this is something that we have put it the attachment file inside the demo folder inside the public. Okay, so I have declared here, and now what I have to do is just write the with MIMA name. Okay, so here just you have to write application/PDF. I will show you different like the different type of files as well for your like sending different files will clear you more, so I will show you that also. So this is something that I have declared here, and next what we have to do is to create a controller file. Okay, so we are going to create a controller file. So for creating a controller file, you have to go to the CMD and just write php artisan make controller and your name of controller. Like I am going to create with the name of mail controller. Okay, so just put your name as per your requirement, and you can get your controller. So I am entering and get the file name mail controller here. So it is inside the app http controllers mail controller. So I am going to that path controller and the mail controller. So it is here. Okay, after creating mail controller, we have to just write a custom method that is for sending the mail. Okay, so I am creating a function with send mail name. Okay, so just write here data, create an array, declare some keys and the values. Like title, I am putting title here, mail with attachment. Okay, and also putting a key with name message and putting value. This is a test email with attachment. Okay, so I have created that array, and now what I have to do, just write mail and putting to, it is predefined. So here we can enter any email ID that we want to send. Like you want to send someone, so just put the email ID of that person here and you can send the mail. So I am doing the same. Okay, so here I have created this and new attachment mail. Here this attachment mail with $data. Okay, and then put written here that email sent successfully. Okay, so I have done with the controller part. Now we going to create a route. So for creating a route, we have to go inside the web.php inside the route folder. So here is routes and web.php. So basically what we have to do, we have to just not more but just create like this. Already a route defined, so I am going to use this send mail. Right now I am creating get method to just call that URL, basically mail controller. So here is mail controller, and inside that mail controller I have a function name send mail, and I can also rename that name with send mail. So it is my route file where I have declared created my route and mentioned all the required things that I have to put here. So this is something we have to declare in route. Okay. Now we are going to create a view file inside view, not in view. Basically, it is inside the resources. So inside resources there is a view folder. So I am going to views and create a folder name with name emails, and inside email I have created a file name attachment.blade.php. So as I said in my video that I am going to create a file for sending emails, that is emails attachment. Okay, so inside email attachment I have created that file. Now I am going to write code here, like HTML head. Okay, inside head I will put a title, so here I will receive that variable that I have sent it through the array, this one actually. Okay, and after head I will create a body. Inside body you just have to write, like you can use as per your HTML design. I'm just showing you the demo, so that's why I'm using a very basic example. Tag I will put data message here, as you have seen here message key. So just written this right, I have written the same here, and as you see my basic structure is completed. So next what we have to do, we have to test our that mail function. So for testing what we have to do, just go to the browser here and to refresh first. Okay, so sorry. So by doing after login, just I have to write my route name here, as I created send mail. So I am using this same send mail, and we have to wait. If it is the code is okay, then it will fire our email, and if not, so as we can see there is an error in the line number 23. So I am going to fix this first. So here I got that error that constructor has expected 2 but it is receiving 1 only. So for resolving this, just we have to go to that mail that we have defining 2, but what we have using only we have sending this from controller. Okay, so here is only we have passed data, and we have already attached us like a file here, so like a static file here. So we are going to not send any file URL right now. And also I have done one mistake here. We have to just put here the file name, like this file name. If we are sending through that file name through this, then we have to just write the before that we have, so we use that. But I already have declared the file name here, so I am going to use this variable name. And for resolving this, for now we going to send empty string, because we have also receiving here the string in the mail class here. So I'm passing the same. And now what we have to do, we have to just test. So let's go to this same and refresh the URL again. Okay, so I also getting one error inside the attachment.blake.php, that is this one. So why I am getting this error, basically let me check. Okay, so here is my key name, is it same with no. So as you see, I have declared with the capital M, so it's giving me error. So I am going to match the same name, and after doing this I am going to refresh again. So okay, so you can see here the mail is sent successfully. Now I am going to check the same mail inside my Gmail. Sorry, I have to open that Gmail ID that I have sent it. Okay, so here you can see I got received an email with the same title, mail with attachment, and also I get a file with the attachment.pdf. So here you can see the same file that I have sending from there is received in my email. Okay, so as that you can see here, also you can write any file path as well, so that you can show your file from there to in this. Okay, so thank you. Please check this flow again. If you have any confusion, please write comment, and you can ask me any question regarding this. And again I will going to create a video where I will show multiple files upload with a form, and how we can send any file with form. You can see the example on that video. I will upload that video very soon. So keep watching, and please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and if possible please share with your friends who needed this kind of tutorial. So thank you everyone.